I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
What was amazing at this conference last week was Roya Mahboob spoke about how she runs her business in Afghanistan and making payments to women throughout Afghanistan for content or whatever, or she's doing an educational thing there too, and how Bitcoin allowed her to function under the Taliban's rule in ways that that she couldn't have done through the banking system, and it empowered a lot of women too, who were her who were partners and clients, many of whom gained a lot of money from the appreciation of Bitcoin as well, and that allowed them to pay for their education and so on. Of course, yeah, Ben, I was there in Oslo too, and I heard just story after story like this, and what was amazing was that session just preceded the session from this government person, and listening to them back to back. The one angle is like Roya's angle was, and she was asked about this directly in Q&A, is like, yeah, I'm sorry if some other people are using this for bad ends elsewhere, but that's what allows us to function. And how many women and girls don't have access to money or all of the things that money makes possible? You can't pay for things and you can't earn money. Think about how that limits your freedom, and how many women around the world are limited in that way by repressive regimes. I mean, not even, it's not even just like a protest. This is like just day-to-day life, deprived of this.
Yeah.
And if you want a technology that allows them that freedom, it will come with the risk that sometimes you are not going to be able to tell people not to spend money in the ways that you don't like. And somebody from the audience, a law professor from the University of Chicago, also pushed this question, which was like, how much does it even cost us to administer this kind of massive surveillance network that you're talking about, and compliance network that you're talking about? Is this the kind of thing where, in order to catch a few wrongdoers, we saddle not only do we deprive people of basic freedoms, but we also saddle them with this regulatory compliance burden if a state tries this strategy of, basically the Treasury wants to see every transaction in the world. To your point, Tor, the US government takes itself to be the government of the world when it comes to money. They think they have authority over every single transaction on the planet. And they want to see it, and they want to be able to stop it. It doesn't matter if it's between somebody in Nigeria and somebody in North Korea. Like, the U.S. government wants to have a say in it. You devote so many resources of your largesse and surplus as a state to tamping down things that might run afoul of your power, and imposing economic burdens on your citizen. You collapse under that weight. And in places like Nigeria, like Turkey, like Lebanon, like Vietnam, where they need it, Argentina, Venezuela, right? That's where people are just going to not ask permission. They're going to fucking do it. And Afghanistan, they're going to reap the rewards of that efficiency. And you know what I mean? You can get with the program, or you can die like a slowly decaying empire. Your choice.